Hey, it's Matt, and today I want to talk to you about one area where I see a lot of leaders struggle and tell you about a tool that is revolutionary and can help you work through this particular issue. Now, as leaders, I think you would agree, we all have a lot going on every single day at work and at home, right? You look at work, if you have kids, you're running them everywhere. You're trying to, spend time with your significant other. And then on the flip side at work, you've got priorities that constantly shift. You've got change coming in at you left and right. And sometimes, if we're not careful, it can lead to that overwhelm. Well, here's the deal. When I coach a lot of my clients, one thing I have found is that as leaders, because we're so busy, we tend to keep everything in our heads, right? When I talk to people, one of the questions I ask is, have you taken what's in here and have you put it on one of these? Have you put it on a whiteboard? Have you put it on a blank piece of paper? Have you allowed your thoughts to come out so your brain can see them differently? And I'm telling you right here, the secret to success and why I'm so passionate about it is whiteboards will set you free. It's allowing you to capture your thoughts, to help organize them on a board. And look at this one behind me, man. There's been some writing on this one, right? It's messy a little bit. I need to clean it up. But that is a lot of thought being put down on a whiteboard so your brain can organize it. I'm telling you, whenever I am in my own head, I immediately come up to this board, write out what I need to, and I will tell you time and time again what I see, what I've experienced, what you can experience is that the solution will all of a sudden start revealing itself. It's getting out of your head and putting it on a whiteboard. That's what I want you to focus on for this next day, this next week. Try it and comment below how just one small shift in utilizing a tool that you have access to, I guarantee, and they're not very expensive if you don't, can absolutely be a game changer for you as a leader. Go check it out, have fun with it, comment below.